Hello everyone, welcome Libras. Hi, how I hope you all are doing well. Sorry for the delay because I am going through a lot of personal bookings and yeah, and my energy is a bit low because of this retrograde season. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is the reading for romance, career, relationship, and finance. Take whichever part resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, one important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my YouTube channel with the help of donation, the details of the Google Pay and PayPal is given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to um, uh, enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yeah, you can enroll, okay, for the sessions. It will be all via WhatsApp video calls. Okay, so do not worry about it. Okay, Libras, what's going on with you into your romantic love life? And let's check out your one card for your finances. This has to come out, so I'm taking two cards for finances. Okay, wow. Right now you have a stuck up energy, or else you had a stuck up energy, but you are releasing that stuck up energy. You are regaining your power back, taking an action towards moving towards a connection. You are also into a separation, I guess. You had a stuck up energy. Okay, dude, you had a stuck up energy. Okay, and you are regaining your power back. You were holding on from someone or something. Okay, now you are no more giving a shit about it. You are taking an action towards moving forward in life, Libras, into your romantic love life. Okay, you are moving towards this connection because you want you're going through a internal internal transformation, evolution, whatever it is. Okay, so yeah, you're going through some internal you are evolving yourself. Okay, with this connection. Okay, you are gaining a clarity and you want this connection somewhere inside of you, you know it. Okay, and you want it deeply and you are gaining a lot of clarity and you just want to take an action. Like you have a feeling right now that I just want to get up and you want to move towards this person. It's like that. Okay, so yeah, you are regaining your power back. You are powerful. Okay, that's beautiful. And you are releasing all this stuck up energy, holding back energy. Okay, beautiful. You are into separation currently. Okay, many of you are separated. I'm doing so many readings, I'm having same energies. I don't know, I'm really bored with the same readings, same type of readings. Nothing is happening to people. Same old story. That's it. Okay, beautiful. You are moving forward towards your partner. Okay, or you are feeling like that into your head or heart that you want to talk to them, you want to communicate to them, you want to be with them, you want to spend time with them. Okay, you are going through those past memories. Okay, so yeah, that was your romance part. Your career part is that whatever financial issues you are thinking about which were on hold, okay, those are coming to an end. Okay, you might be juggling between two direction, two choices, two decisions into your career life. Okay, which path to proceed, which way to go, which direction to choose. Okay, and you will be taking an action towards it and you will be moving forward towards it. Okay, two choices into your career, you will be evaluating the pros and cons for both the directions, and then you will be choosing the one and you will be moving towards the chosen one. Okay, the road less traveled. Okay, so yeah, if there was if your finances were stuck up somewhere with someone or something, or you were not happy with your job, if you were not doing good into your business, so all this financial problems are coming to an end. Okay, so do not worry about it. There was just the past karmas are happening. Everyone, like every other person is going through the same shit. Okay, not just you, I'm telling you that half of the zodiac readings are the same, and I'm really fucked up with this with the same reading. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, those things are ending. You are no more releasing all the sadness, pain when it comes to your career life, your financial stuff. Okay, and those things are coming back and coming to an end, completion, ending. Okay, death is all about endings and new beginnings. Okay, so ending into your financial struggles, financial problems, and establishing a new financial life. Okay, for yourself, new financial career which will give you good financial income. Okay, and you are just thinking about your finances right now because you are juggling between two choices, two direction, two options, two decisions. Okay, and but do not worry about it. It will be all fine once you take a decision and you move forward. The things will be all sorted. Okay, yes, yeah. And into your romantic relationship, okay, love life. Okay, so if you were into a separation mode currently, this person is from the past. Okay, most of the readings are saying the same. Okay, I don't know, don't blame me, but if the energies are the same, I cannot help you out. Okay, so yeah, if you are single, a new love might enter. You might get an proposal with a new person. Okay, if you are committed, or if you were committed in the past, then the past person might enter into your life. And a reconciliation, if you are going through some separation currently into your love life, then a reconciliation, reunion will be taking place. Okay, and if there was any third party situations, okay, so the third party situation is entering into your life, or is you know giving you a lot of problems. Those things will be coming to an end, and you will be highly intuitive today. Okay, not today, matlab whole month. Okay, yeah. And there will be a new solid beginning, either with the past love, a passionate new beginning with the past love, or if you are single, then might enter into your life. If there was a third party situation, those will be coming to an end. If you want a reconciliation, reunion might take place with the past person, but a new beginning this time, not the same old story. No, because it's showing me the lovers. The lovers is ruled by Gemini's, and I think I have a strong, very strong indication that it is a twin flame connection. Okay, and a spiritual connection. So do not worry about it. Okay, because you have 4 how many times I'll see. Okay, so yeah, those things are happening. New beginnings are coming, reconciliation will be happening, third party situations will be ending, and yeah, past person is coming back and will be offering a cup of love towards you. But if it is like that, do not be like not interested, because you have an energy that if the person is offering a love towards to you this time, and if they will be coming back into your life, you'll be like, nah, I'm not interested. You will be like that. Okay, because you will be acting as if you have moved on, but inside of you haven't. Okay, that's the issue going on between you. Okay, okay. So let me check what's going on into your financial matter. The foundation which was lost due to certain people, external energies into your career life, those will be regained. A solid foundation will be built. You will be taking an action, you will be victorious. You might, and for other Libras out there, traveling might traveling might happen for you guys. Okay, for a new opportunity. Okay, someone might offer a new opportunity to you with a solid good money. Okay, so yeah, so if it is like that, I think there, wow, yeah. Okay, sorry guys, I'm like overwhelmed. with the energies, okay, right now. But yeah, there will be, few changes into your home situations. You might be purchasing a new home, new life, yeah, moving, relocating to a new place, okay, moving towards somewhere else for new opportunity, new life, new beginning, okay. And yeah, a solid offer might be coming towards you, and it will bring you a lot of happiness, lot of financial abundance, okay, at the same time. But it might involve traveling also, or relocating also to a new place for a new beginning, okay. Some sort of new beginning is happening into your financial world, okay. That's very good, because financial world, whatever stuck up energy, whatever holding back situation was there into your financial matter, those things are coming to an end, and you are getting away from a sneaky energies. Like, if into your financial matter someone cheated you in the past, and if there were, people who were sneaking around with your finances, doing shit with your finances, politics were going on with your finances, okay, those things are coming to an end. You are, going with something new, okay. And those shit is coming to an end, because this is wheel of fortune into your financial abundance, financial life. Karmic cycle is playing its role, and it's coming to an end. But yeah, this is also a card. When it comes to finances, this is also a card of good financial stability. So this offer, whichever is coming towards you into your financial front, I think, it will bring you a major abundance, okay. Don't know why, but I have a feeling that relocating, or starting something new, this new beginning will bring a lot of money into your life, into your financial front, which is very good, okay. So yeah, no more financial issues will be there. Issues will be there, but yeah, not that much like the way you are having right now, okay. This holding back situation, okay. So yeah, so yeah, let me pull out few cards, few oracle cards, okay. So I'll be picking up randomly, okay, because it's hard to shuffle every time. Okay, so yeah, so the two universal messages, the sun and yeah, temperance. Just be patient enough, divine timing, right time is there. You are going through some healing shit where there is karmic cycle also. So yeah, healing is coming to an end, completion, ending of something and a starting of something, ending of some toxic life, toxic patterns, toxic situation, toxic life, work life, anything toxic, okay, around you, okay, or inside of you, those are coming to an end. You are going through some major healing, and new life, new beginning is there, okay. Focus on your career, move towards your finances, and shine bright, okay. You will be taking an action to move forward into your life, okay. Do not worry about it. Yes, some of you might be dealing with Leos, Libras. No, some of you might be dealing with Leos, some of you might be dealing with Aquarius, some of you might be dealing with Geminis, some of you might be dealing with any fire, water, or air signs or earth sign. All of the energies are there. It can be anyone, anything, okay. So yeah, so let me pull out few cards. Okay, so 4 cards. Let me tell you what's going on with it. Okay, so the first one is what was what was, what was not working, what was lost is coming back into your life, okay. So do not worry about it. Whatever was left behind is coming back into your life, okay. And 9 again, 999, universal message, universal number, guys. Something big is happening, some major change, transformation is on the way, okay. So your life is going to change, okay, in a better way. Laziness, so if you are this is also number 9 is all about creativity, abundance, okay. So abundance is coming into your way, because there is a card of wheel of fortune, and 9 number is all about abundance, money, okay, financial stuff, financial freedom, okay. Yes, so if you are lazy, if you were things were not going on proper when it comes to your financial issues, those things will be coming to solved, uh, will be solved. Okay, totality. Five is all about sadness, depression, worriness, or thinking about something. Okay, so whatever you were planning, okay, whatever plans which is going on into your head, now you will be executing it. No more delays will be happening. Okay, but yeah, sorry, there will be delays happening. Okay, just planning will be going on right now, delays will be happening, and you will be feeling a bit of disappointment also with the same, slowing down. So yeah, this is a card for delays. Okay, so delays will be happening into your life. Okay, so do not worry about it, things will be better soon. Okay, what else we can say? Energies are very high today. Okay, and I am feeling very heavy today when it comes to certain energies. Okay, yes, yeah. This is happening with me almost every time. This is happening with me. Okay, because this is a retrograde season and I deal with lot of personal readings, and also this retrograde season is all about heaviness, like I'm getting a lot of heavy energies. Okay, so yeah, three healing messages for you. Healthy self-esteem. True wisdom is maintaining a balance between pushing and holding back, balancing detailed perfection with allowing some imperfections. So see, two of one's evaluation, this person how he is trying to balance things up, but juggling between two choices, two connection, two situations, two direction, two choices, two lives. Okay, so healing message for anger. I love myself unconditionally. I accept both my strength and my flaws. Even though I love myself just as I am, I accept the parts of myself that needs to change and grow. Okay, the healing message for body. I have a healthy, flexible, balanced way of seeing, thinking, reacting to the world around me. Beautiful message, guys. Okay, so yeah, Libras, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. And if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to book on one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. And if you want to know about what kind of tarot cards I am using, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. Okay, and this is the reading for the month of July 2020. Okay, so yes. Okay guys, bye bye.